conglomerate owner of an investment firm. What he says by this is very simple. If you don't make enough money for your retirement, you will have to work your whole life. So, are you making enough money from your day job? Do you still want to be working at the age of 70 to put food on the table? I believe not. You would definitely prefer to spend time with your loved ones when you're old, right? Only when you invest your money and allow your funds to grow, then you will have the ability to pay for your children's education, your grandchildren's education, or even go for frequent holidays and have to have a better quality of life. Therefore, I hope everyone sees the importance of investing your money. So typically, now you understand the need for investment. So what is the investment that people invest in? So traditionally, people invest in stocks and foreign exchange. But of course, if you do not have experience in that, it will be difficult for you. Stocks and foreign exchange are the most traditional investments that people invest in. Stocks, in simple terms, buying of a company share, expecting it to appreciate, and then selling it off at a profit. Foreign exchange, in short, Forex. What is that? It's a means of payment in currencies in individual countries. So there are exchanges in goods or services globally. And when you're paying for that for somebody overseas, in another country, in another continent, they use another currency. So basically, Forex is the exchange of these currencies when there is a service provider. And that's also the reason why Forex is widely traded. One of the biggest financial instruments in the world. So prudent and smart traders typically choose Forex. Why? Forex is the biggest financial market in the world, like I mentioned. It's the largest trading volume that can generate up to $6 trillion a day. And of course, because of the large volume, it is impossible for anyone to manipulate or to control the prices. And it is the fairest instrument available. And of course, its 24 hours trading condition allows everyone to have the opportunity to trade and make a profit at any point of time. And what's the distinct advantages of Forex? The ability to go long or go short, which means if you're expecting a currency to go up, you can actually buy it and make a profit, sell it off at a higher price, right? And of course, what is short? Short means you're expecting the currency to go down, to lose its value. So you can actually sell it off and buy it back later to make a profit. So this is what we call short. 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. What does it mean by that? When you are trading currencies, it is traded on the weekdays. So it's traded 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. As compared to shares, shares are only traded 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. So comparatively, with 140 hours worth of trading hours, as compared to 40 hours in shares, Forex definitely provides more opportunity. On top of that, the largest stock exchange in the world, which is NYSE, New York Stock Exchange, it trades a daily volume of 25 billion US dollars, whereas Forex is traded at 6 trillion US dollars. So as you can see, in fact, the Forex market is 240 times larger than the biggest stock exchange in the world. So who is this other man? This is George Soros, one of the many examples who have succeeded in Forex trading. George Soros also started his financial career as a Forex broker. So what is he famous for? In the year 1992, he expected British pounds to depreciate. And what did he do? He put a position of shorting the GBP, $10 billion worth, and within one day, he made $1 billion in profit, which is 10% just in one day. So this also shows you that Forex provides ample opportunities for everyone who is willing to invest in it. And of course, Lztrade asks, we are now bringing our technology into Africa so that you, as an investor, can have this wonderful opportunity to experience the ease of making money through trading. Africa being the second largest and the second most populated continent in the world, we see this tremendous opportunity because Africa is a young economy with rising population. And the federal government is looking to support forex trading, which also means it will be beneficial for Lztrade and of course to you as an investor. Now, Lztrade is formed by a team of financial and technical experts with the focus of developing cutting-edge financial tools for you to make money in the financial market. We have presence around the world and a strong foothold in Europe and in China. Currently, we are continuing our global expansion and we have entered the African market. We are new in this region, but definitely not new in this industry. So where is Lztrade incorporated? We are incorporated in St. Vincent and the Grenadines in 2019. It is an island located in the Caribbean. It is also a critical offshore hub where we are properly regulated by the regulatory systems and in place and of course supervised and definitely regulated all financial services like ourselves. So St. Vincent and Grenadines is a critical offshore hub. Major platforms like Alphabet Group, Lztrade are also incorporated in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So Lztrade, we see the potential of this African region and we have been incorporated in Cape Town in the year 2021. As one of the major economies in Africa, with its developed infrastructure in terms of transport, finance, law, and stability, we believe that this would be better able to provide you with support in terms of our proximity. So let me introduce you to our management team. This is our CEO, my boss, Alejandro Moraes. He started his career as a fund analyst and quickly rise up the ranks to become a divisional director. Okay, and of course, he is a master in terms of financial management and has graduated from the University of Washington. He worked in various big banks like Bank of America, US Bank Corp, and has managed over 1.1 billion worth of assets. So Alejandro is highly respected in the financial world and is an extremely brilliant man. So I owe a great deal to him, and I'm sure you guys will get to meet him soon during our upcoming events and to learn from this fantastic person. Next, our second in command in the management team, Mr. Zhao Hua. He is our investment strategist who has an excellent track record of consistently above market returns and a renowned investment coach who has trained and guided many million-dollar traders. So Zhao sits in several top banks in China as an advisor as well. And he has also mentored and taught many of our traders and our trading team several techniques and many insights into the financial world. Now, this is our core team. It comprises of our trading tech developer, our trading product specialist, our algo specialist, risk management manager, capital control manager, and of course, our trading team manager. So each team does a very critical role in the functioning of Lztrade's Athena copy trade, which I will be introducing to you slightly later in the coming slides. So what's our mission and vision? In Lztrade, our mission is to empower our traders with state-of-the-art tools that you can leverage on to accumulate wealth, regardless if you are an experienced trader or somebody who has zero or little experience. And our vision is to be world recognized as #1 in the platform of choice when it comes to AI bot trading. Some of the leading banks that we work with, JP Morgan Chase, HSBC, China Construction Bank, and of course, AXA. As you can see, Lztrade only works with biggest banks in the world for its robust banking facilities at different parts of the world. As for Africa, we partner with AXA, which I'm sure you guys are more familiar than this to me, of this bank than to me. One of the largest banking group in Africa. So how do we partner with AXA? In fact, our custodian bank is held with AXA. And what is a custodian bank? It is a segregated account with the sole purpose of separating investors' funds from the company's operational funds. This is to ensure that the funds that you have credited for investing will only be used for trading and generating returns for yourself. So in fact, how does this Forex flow in terms of its capital to the market? Retail investors like us who participate in the foreign exchange transactions are actually a small part of the whole FX market. In fact, retail accounts only account for a very small part. Vast majority of the participants in these exchanges are usually foreign exchanges, banks, governments, and state agencies. The global Forex pool is very, very, very big. Okay, and these are all traded through Forex exchange traders. So how does this actually work? So say, for instance, you're expecting a certain currency, for example, Australian dollars to appreciate, and you make a position, right? You buy Australian dollars. Another part of the world, somebody will be expecting the Australian dollars to depreciate because it's widely traded, right? And everybody has a different view on the currency. So basically, when these two trades are being met, have been made, okay, it will be hit into the liquidity providers to do a matching, right? And once this trade has been matched, it will be funneled into the global $6 trillion worth of foreign exchange market. So in short, when we are doing trades, we will require a liquidity provider to match our trades to ensure that our trades has been taken in. So which liquidity providers do we work with? Deutsche Bank, Germany's largest bank, headquartered in Frankfurt. Sucheng Financial, one of the largest liquidity providers in the world. Citigroup, one of the largest bank and financial institutions in America and of course in the world. So in Lztrade, we have 3 liquidity providers that takes in our trades. Typically, most platforms only have one liquidity provider. So we, Lztrade, would like to ensure that you will never miss a good opportunity, and therefore we have 3 liquidity providers that we work with. And that also means 3 times more opportunities than other platforms. And what are we using for trading? If you have not seen this, this is actually MT4. In Lztrade, we use the world-renowned trading platform MT4, developed by MetaCode's software. MT4 is the most widely traded used platform in the world. More than 100 foreign exchange brokerages and banks from 30 countries uses this. It is a trusted platform that only provides its services to reputable and recognized financial institutions. And I'm very proud to say that MT4 has awarded Lztrade with an MT4 full license. So other than us, other banks like Citibank, HSBC, Standard Chartered, and JP Morgan are using MT4 as their preferred platform because of its safety and its reliability. MT4 also conducts quarterly KYC checks to frequently ensure that everything is prim and proper. So now it comes to this part. In terms of trading, how can somebody make money out of trading? There's actually 3 methods. First, manual trading, or what we call personal trading. So you decide on what levels to enter, what levels to take profit, so on and so forth. And of course, you have to be familiar with the technical analysis and its fundamental analysis. That's the first method, which is more suitable for intermediate or even advanced traders. Second method is called copy trade, which means somebody, when this copy trade system is in place, you can actually follow how master traders or certain traders trade. All right. And of course, by copying the traders, you can make a profit even if you have no experience. But if the traders' performance are not up to standard, then of course you might be expecting some loss. So the revolutionary trading method right now is in fact AI trading, which is algorithm set. You remove all sorts of emotions, and of course with its set algorithm, you can actually trade effectively as a trader. And this brings me to Lztrade's Athena copy trade. So in Lztrade, we have an advanced technology called Athena copy trade. is a patented Lztrade system that allows our investors to copy exactly how master traders trade, and of course, how our bots trade. So this is a proprietary system that comprises of a front-end system that executes accurate and high-speed trades, and a back-end system which is programmed to improve trading strategies and keep them up to date. So a brief introduction to our system, our whole node of systems, a supercomputer, we should call it in short, the Athena front-end trading system. So the front-end trading system is a proprietary system as well. As you can see, this is actually only available in Lztrade. And if you are familiar with computers, top of the range gaming computers are running at 2 cores. And our Athena trading system is running at 72 cores, which is 36 times faster than the fastest gaming computer in the world. Currently, the most advanced copy trades platform in the market are only running at 36 cores. All right. And Lztrade is actually running at twice the speed and twice the accuracy. And now we are talking about the Athena backend system, which is the machine learning system. In short, it's also called an AI system. So this is an essential tool for continuous learning of the markets to provide our front-end system continuous updates. So it is to keep our system trading up to date to the very second. And of course, running at 800 CPUs, it is extremely fast as compared to other competitors. They are only running at 400 CPU speed, which is, of course, our back-end learning system is learning at twice the speed as well. Therefore, in Lztrade, we have a cutting-edge, state-of-the-art technology that only we possess. So the Athena copy trade infrastructure, it could be understood as 2 components managed by our core teams, which I've introduced earlier. The front-end trading is managed hand-in-hand by our risk management and our expert trading team to ensure that the risk rewards are profitable in portions to our trading algorithm. Of course, to provide profitable trades, right? While the front-end system is sourcing for profitable trades to be executed, the back-end system will continuously update the front-end system when it's necessary, which means when there's news or even certain tweaks in terms of the market changes, it will be updated accordingly by our back-end system immediately, right? This is to ensure that our customers get the best up-to-date returns on their copy trade. So other than our superior technology, our expert trading team and management teams have also worked hand-in-hand to curate private indexes for optimal trading experience. So with the combination of traders' experience and multiple fintech indicators, all right, this has been curated. And these indexes are private indexes that only available to private banking clients and corporate traders who are trading at very big volumes. So our customers, as Lztrade customers, you will also have exclusive access to these indexes and to participate in them to obtain profitable and optimal trading returns. This allows our customers to have perfect trading experience with 0 system errors and no missed opportunities. So this is the list of our indexes and currency pairs. And of course, it also comprises our expert selected index, which is the agricultural index, equity index, Asian index, global index, futures index, and of course, our commodity index. So there is a wide range of indexes that you can trade in and to profit from. So now, let me just share with you what strategies the Athena copy trade system uses. Not to be too stressed over understanding these strategies. Basically, there are more than hundreds of strategies that we apply, but not all strategies are applicable all the time. That's also the reason why the need for the supercomputer, right? Like I mentioned just now, the Athena copy trade system, because these are all taken care of by them. But of course, understanding a bit is always good for you to have more knowledge with regards to foreign currency trading, right? So let me just share with you what is trend trading. So typically, there are 2 methods of trading, major methods. Trend trading. So these methods are actually based on the movement of the currency. If we are expecting, for example, certain technical analysis have justified that this certain currency or this index is moving upwards, then definitely it will be a good entry point to enter and take a profit when it's up and sell it off at a profit. So this is what we call trend trading, right? So of course, when it's going down, similarly, what we can do is we can sell it off and buy back later at a cheaper price. So that also makes a profit. So this is trend trading. Mean reversion. What is mean reversion? So mean reversion actually means when currencies or even indexes are trading, it's not in a straight line. It's usually range bound. So in fact, when it bounces off its range, it will tend to move back to its median price. So that will also be a signal that will be captured by our Athena copy trade system and our AI bots to make a profit. So now, what is this about? With our technology, we have designed 3 automated trading bots named Jones, Krager, and Soros. So after vigorous back testing and forward testing through many years, these bots have never missed its target in terms of its returns. All right. So let me just introduce to you our Jones bot. So for Jones bot, it will provide you as an investor a monthly return of 10 to 20%. For the Krager bot, it will provide you with a monthly return of 20 to 35%. So for the Soros bot, it actually provides you a return of 35 to 50%. So say for example, if you have invested $1,000 into the Soros bot, all right, into Lztrade and chose the Soros bot. So of course, you'll be expecting $350 to $500 worth of returns on a monthly basis. If it hits 50% for consecutively 2 months, you will have easily grown your money by twice, by one time, which is total of $2,000, right? So this is how the bots work. But of course, it's based on different amounts. For the Jones bot, the minimum deposit is 100 USDT. All right. For the Krager bot, minimum deposit is 300 USDT. And for the Soros bot, minimum deposit is 500 USDT. So some may ask, why the different minimum deposit? Because different bots actually adopt different strategies, therefore require different amounts to execute. And that's the reason why. All right. So let me just show you a live example of our Soros bot for the month of January. So for this particular client, he has actually put in 10,000 USDT for his investment and has chosen the Soros bot. He has started his trading on the 4th of January and it ended on the 31st of January. So he has been making profit on a daily basis. So at the end of the month, all right, how much did it generate? For Soros bot, for a $10,000 account, he has actually generated $4,033. Imagine you are generating this income from just a click of your finger to select your preferred bot and leave the work to Lztrade's Athena copy trade AI bots to generate this income for you. All right. So moving on. In Lztrade, we believe in growing with our customers and our traders and partners. We are very supportive of grooming them and we provide various camps and events. And of course, these leadership camps are there to train and guide our brokers how to build their teams effectively. And of course, we also do have our divisional kickoff events. And these events are to celebrate the success of Lztrade as a whole. And it is also an opportunity for you guys to meet up with our top management team and our core teams. And of course, next will be our elite leaders summits and of course our divisional leadership development camps. So these camps are also developed for our top leaders to train them and of course to give them support and recognition. All right. So these are some of the examples of Lztrade's previous foothold in China. So how easy is it to set up an account? In fact, it is very simple. You can just register an account in Lztrade and of course, complete your KYC form. Going forward, if you would like to invest your funds, you can actually fund it through Lztrade and this Lztrade funds, right, will be transferred into your copy trade account and you can start trading effectively. But of course, you will have to choose your preferred bots to help you earn your money. And of course, the trading profits, important, everyone take note, trading profits are all transferred to your account on a daily basis. So this comes to an end of the introduction deck of Lztrade. Next, what we'll be talking about would be our copy trade rewards plan. So here comes the interesting part of the Zoom session. From the previous slide, you would understand that as an investor, you can make profit on your investments. All right. What if I tell you there's so much more that you can earn as a broker of Lztrade? Would you be interested? As a Lztrade broker, you can earn up to 5 income streams. So what are the 5 income streams? First, your copy trade profit, which means when you invest your funds into Lztrade and you choose on your preferred bots, you will already be generating a daily income. Okay. And next will be our subscription rewards, development rewards, commitment rewards, and lifestyle rewards, which will be explained in the coming slides. So just to take note, as a broker in Lztrade, you will be getting 5 streams of income. So how do you start your copy trade career as a broker? With just $100 investment, you can start your copy trade career. And you can subscribe to our professional trading bots from $15.90. And you'll be awarded with 2 free accounts, which is your personal copy trade MT4 account and your personal main MT4 account. And of course, based on your prescribed bots, you'll be getting up to 50% profits on a monthly basis. Okay. And daily trading profits will be credited into your account every day. Lastly, the daily rewards are also calculated and paid out to you daily. So this is an overview of how the copy trade system works. When you are invested into Lztrade, you'll be awarded 2 MT4 accounts. One is your main MT4 account, where you'll be receiving your funds, receiving your profits and your returns in it. And of course, the other one is the copy trade account, which is used to actively trade. So once you have these 2 accounts and you have funded in your money into the copy trade account, this copy trade account will start trading based on the signals that is being generated by our bots. It's all linked up together. So it will start trading automatically. And what you have to do is just sit back, relax, and receive your daily profits. So once this profits has been generated, it will be credited back into the MT4 for your withdrawal or for your reinvestment. It's up to you. It's flexible. So of course, if you would like to reinvest it, your funds will accumulate at a faster pace. But of course, if you would like to withdraw them for your expenditure, there is also no issues. Okay. Now, this security reserve fund. So what is this security reserve fund? In fact, this security reserve fund is in place to be a protection for everyone. So this scheme is designed to achieve our trading profit targets and safeguard total funds growth, right? And of course, the split is 80%, 20%, which means when you transfer your funds from your MT4 main account to the copy trade account, 80% will go into the copy trade account for trading. 20% will be set aside as a security reserve, which may be used to activate it or might not be activated when required. And what do I mean by that? If there is a requirement that this certain bot has not met its target, our expert trading teams will actually require these funds to be activated to trade to generate more profits for you. But of course, for the past few years, we have never missed a target, but this is still a safety measure that is for your own good. So in simple terms, if you have credited your copy trade account with $100, $80 will go into this copy trade for trading, $20 will be set aside in this security reserve fund. And this reserve fund is in fact capital guaranteed, which means at any point of time, if you would like to withdraw the funds, it is always totally refunded to you. Okay, so these funds are not taken away from you, not to worry. It's just set aside as a safety measure. Now, Lztrade profit sharing. Profits generated from the copy trade will be allocated as 80% to you as the broker and the investor, and 20% to the company. Which means if you have generated $1,000 worth of profits in your copy trade account, you will be getting $800, and Lztrade will be getting $200. Okay. Now again, the Lztrade Athena copy trade bots and subscription. So as you can see, For the Jones bot, there is a one-time subscription fee of $15.90 with a minimum deposit of $100 US, right? The Krager bot, one-time subscription fee of $29.90 with a minimum deposit of $300. And of course, the Soros bot, one-time subscription fee of $69.90 and a minimum deposit of $500. So for the first stream of income you will be receiving as an investor or even a broker would be the copy trade profits. So in fact, for whichever amounts that you are invested into the copy trade, right, you will generate a profit on a daily basis. And this copy trade is transferred into your account daily. Now, how is it being allocated? So say for instance, you would like to invest $100 into your copy trade account. And definitely $100 minimum deposit will be able to get your Jones bot. So Jones bot is priced at $15.90, one-time subscription fee for a lifetime use. So of course, if you would like to do that, the total amount that you would require to invest into Lztrade would be $115.90. $15.90 goes to the bot subscription, and the remainder 100 is transferred into your copy trade account for trading. So from this 100 USDT, 80 will be transferred into your copy trade account and 20 will be into the security reserve fund. So of course, if, for example, for the month of March, okay, your Jones bot is generating a 15% return, how much are you getting? It will be definitely $80 multiplied by 15%, which is equivalent to $12 US, all right, for 100 $12 US, okay? Then of course, there will be a profit sharing from Lztrade. So you'll be getting 80% from this $12, which is $960. And from Lztrade headquarters, we'll be receiving $240. Okay, so this is how the copy trade works. It's really fair. So as you are making money, Lztrade is also making money. So we are making money together. So that is the first stream of income you can get as a broker and as an investor. But next comes another 4 streams of income, which is only available to brokers. So first stream of income for a broker will be subscription rewards, which is also the second stream for a broker, but the investors will not be getting this. So as a broker, you'll be getting an additional income. So let me explain what is this additional income. So subscription rewards are actually commissions paid to brokers for referring someone into Lztrade when they are subscribing a bot, which means when you refer 2 customers and they subscribe to bots, you will be receiving 10% of the subscription fee. This will be a clear example to show you how much you'll be getting. So if you refer 1 client, okay, his name is client B. Okay, so client B actually deposited 200 USDT and paid for $29.90 for his subscription of Krager bot. So how much will you be receiving? So you will be receiving 10% of this $29.90, which is $2.99. Okay, this is just from the subscription. All right, and the subscription rewards are paid to you on a daily basis, credited into your main MT4 account. So for example, if this client decides to upgrade his bots to Soros bot, will you be getting an additional income? Yes, you will still be getting it. So say for example, the same client who previously subscribed to the Krager bot now wants to subscribe to Soros bot. So what will you be getting? Okay, you'll be getting 10% of this $69.90, and that will be $6.99. Okay, and it will also be paid to you on a daily basis. So regardless of whether there is a downgrade or upgrade of the bots, as long as somebody subscribes to the bot that you refer, subscribe to a bot, you will be getting this subscription reward as your second stream of income. Next comes the third stream of income, the development rewards. So if you introduce your friends to earn money in Lztrade as an investor, you can also get a commission from their copy trade profits. Okay, this is only available to brokers. All right. So how is it being calculated? It's based on the different ranks. Okay, as you know, in Lztrade as a broker, there is 6 tiers of rank. So the rank ranges from S1 to S6. S1 being the junior broker, and of course S6 being the most senior broker. So what's the criteria of attaining these ranks? So to attain an S1 rank, there is three requirements to be met. First is your personal investment, which is how much you have invested into your copy trade. Second would be your direct referral, asset under management, in short called AUM. So as an S1, you will require a $100 investment to start your career. And if you refer your friends or your family or even your colleagues to join, all right, it could be five customers with 100 USDT investment, or it could be one customer with $500 worth of investment. That will still be considered a direct referral under asset under management. All right. And of course, the third criteria would be a total team AUM. So for the S1 rank, once you meet these three criteria, you will be awarded a 35% on your referrals copy trade profit. So say for example, if your friends you have referred has actually made $1,000 worth of copy trade profit, you will be awarded 35%, which is 350. And just imagine if you have 10 friends who have invested $1,000 each, right? That will equate to how much? $10,000, right? So $10,000 worth of investment will generate $5,000 worth of copy trade returns. And this 5,000 copy trade returns, you will be getting 35% for the first level. Okay, what it means by first level? A refers B, B will be the first level. And B refers C, C will be the second level, which comes to the second part. So as a S1 broker, you'll be getting one level of rewards at 35%. If you have upgraded yourself to an S2 broker, you'll be getting first level 35%, second level 20%. And what is the criteria to meet S2 rank? Personal investment of 500 USDT, direct referral AUM 1,000, total team AUM 2,000. Okay, so it also means very simple. If you have one layer of clients that invested 1,000 in total, your second layer who also has invested 1,000, first layer 1,000, two layer 1,000, second layer 1,000, that will also equate to the whole team of 2,000. So that will also help you meet your criteria to reach a S2 rank. So for that, you will also receive a reward for that rank for the second level. So of course, as you up your rank to S3, you'll be getting up to 3 levels. S4 up to 5 levels of rewards. Okay, S5 up to 10 levels, and of course S6 up to 20 levels of rewards. This will be an example that will give you a clear picture of how much you can earn as a broker by just using an S4 rank. So basically, this particular customer or this broker has actually attained S4 rank. So he unlocks 5 levels of rewards. So of course, for the first level, he will be awarded 35% of his first level referrals, copy trade profits. Second level, 20% of the copy trade profits. Third level, 10%. And then fourth and fifth level, 5% each. In fact, for brokers, this is the major component that you can generate a monthly and income from, the biggest profit from. Okay, so let me give you this example to show you how much you can earn if you have 200 over brokers under your network. So broker A, S4 rank broker, has 5 levels. Okay, has 5 levels. So for each level, he has actually developed a number of brokers. So for level 1, he has 5 brokers. Level 2, 12. Level 3, 30. Level 4, 70. And level 5, 100. So we're assuming all his brokers have actually invested 1,000 US dollars. Some might be more, but we just assume that it will just only be 1,000. So just with $1,000 worth of investment each, how much can you generate as an S4 broker? So for the first level, 5 brokers, you will generate a copy trade profit of 2,500. And of course, after profit sharing, it will be 2,000. And for this first level, you are getting a 35%. Therefore, 2,000 multiplied by 35% will get you 700 USDT. Second level, with 12 brokers, copy trade ROI of 6,000 after profit sharing 4,800. 20% of 4,800 will get you 960. For the third level, after profit sharing 12,000, development rewards of this copy trade, okay, of 10%, you'll be getting 1,200. And for the fourth level, 28,000, 5% development rewards, you'll be getting 1,400. And of course, lastly, for the fifth level, with 100 brokers, their copy trade profits adds up to 40,000, and you'll be getting 5%. That will equate to $2,000. So in a single month, all right, you'll be getting $6,260. And of course, if they continue to maintain these funds for investment, right, you will be getting this on a monthly basis. Every day it will be generated. It will be accorded to you on a daily basis. But of course, in terms of a month, you'll be getting 2,660 every month. And of course, if your team actually grows, the amounts also grow. So this is how the development rewards work. Now comes the fourth stream of income, which is our commitment rewards. So commitment rewards are actually paid out to our brokers for a direct referral. So if you refer somebody for your first level, you'll be getting a percentage of his deposited funds. So it ranges from 5% to 10%. And these funds are actually credited to you after 90 days, right? Within 90 days. So this also depends on your broker rank. So for S1 rank, your commitment rewards will be starting from 5%. S2, 6%. As you increase up your ranks, it's all increased by 1%. So the top broker in Lztrade, which is the S6 rank, will get up to 10% commitment rewards. Now, let's give you an example to better clarify how these commitment rewards are received. So if you are a S4 rank, you'll be getting 4%, 8% in terms of your commitment rewards. 8%. S4 rank, 8%. Sorry. Okay. So now, as a S4 broker, you have 5 direct referrals who funded in $1,200 each on different days. All right. So how much are you getting in terms of your commitment rewards? You're getting 1,200 multiplied by 8%. And that is equivalent to 96 US dollars. All right. So if he has funded in on the 1st of January, exactly on the 90 day, you will on the 1st of April, which is 90 days, you'll be getting $96 into your MP4 main account. So of course, if it's transferred in and funded into the copy trade on the 6th of January, you'll be getting this $96 on the 6th of April. Okay. So of course, in total, you'll be getting 5 times $96 for these 5 referrals. And of course, if you do refer more, you'll be getting more. Now, an example, if one of the referral decided to withdraw his funds, so how is it being calculated? It will be calculated as a net fund in amount. So say for instance, for this example, his third direct referral actually funded in $1,200, okay, on the 10th of Jan, but he decided to withdraw 400 USDT from this copy trade account for his personal use. So in fact, the net amount that is deposited is $800. So your commitment rewards on the 90th day that you will be receiving would be 800 multiplied by 8%, which is $69. And of course, for the rest, there's no withdrawals. So it will maintain at $96. Okay, so this is the commitment rewards, which is our fourth stream of income. But the good news to everyone, we are coming out with our new commitment rewards starting from 1st of April. So starting from 1st of April, our commitment rewards will be paid out to your copy trade MP4 account daily. Okay, paid out daily. All right. So same example, this particular broker has reached the rank of S4 and has 6 direct referrals, each funded in 100 USDT into their copy trade account. So how much will he be getting? Very simple. If he has funded in on the 1st of March, all right, 1,000. That means your direct referral has funded in $1,000 into their copy trade. You'll be getting 8% as an S4 rank. So your commitment rewards will be $80. So as compared to our previous commitment rewards, now this new revised commitment reward, you will be receiving your reward on the 2nd of March, which is the following day. Okay, and these funds are actually credited into your MP4 account, trading account for trading, and you will start generating profits on the very next day. So if you have 6 of them, okay, you have 6 direct referrals, you'll be getting 480 worth of commitment rewards that will start generating profits in your Copytrade account according to your selected bots. All right. So it's very simple. And of course, once it's in there for trading, your profits are all credited into your main account for your withdrawal or in fact for your reinvestment. That will also be up to you. It's totally flexible. So now, example 2. Client A is a S4 broker and has one direct referral who decided to withdraw 200 USDT from his Copytrade account on the 20th of March. So of course, as of 10th of March, he has already received $480 worth of commitment rewards. So if he withdrew from 200 USDT from one of his clients, okay, then of course, your Copytrade account will be reduced by a certain percentage. And how do we calculate that? So $200 being withdrawn, and of course, $200 multiplied by 8% would be 16 USDT. So withdrawal is on the 20th of March. So on the 21st of March, your commitment rewards of 480 will be reduced to 464. Why? Because of this $16 worth of commitment rewards that has been dropped because of the withdrawal. So these commitment rewards are all withdrawable after 90 days from your Copytrade account. Okay, but of course, when it starts on the very next day, when you have been awarded this commitment rewards, your commitment rewards will start generating income in your Copytrade account. Now comes the 5th stream of income and the final one, which is our lifestyle rewards. So lifestyle rewards are rewards that allows our brokers to redeem for certain products. There's 3 tiers of products, okay, and these are only available for S4 ranks and above. So these lifestyle credits are actually calculated based on the accumulated rewards received from your subscription rewards, your commitment rewards, and your development rewards. So what can you redeem for and what is the percentage? Let me just show you. So as an S4 rank, you'll be able to get up to 3% of all these 3 rewards. As an S5 rank, 4%. As an S6 rank, 5%. S6 rank, 5%. So say for instance, if you are a S4 rank, okay, and you have accumulated rewards of 200,000. So how many credits are you accorded? It will be 3% multiplied by 200,000, which is equivalent to 6,000 rewards. Okay, so these 6,000 credit rewards are actually accumulative. So once you accumulate to a certain amount, you would like to exchange for one of the 3 products that we do provide for you, you can actually decide on that. So what are the 3 tiers and what are the lifestyle credits that is required? So for you to redeem a luxury watch like a Rolex, lifestyle credits will be 10,000 required. For a car, for an Audi, for a Mercedes, or even for a BMW car, you only require 50,000 of lifestyle credits. And for an exchange of a property, lifestyle credits that is required will be 200,000. So say for instance, a broker has decided to accumulate this lifestyle rewards, and he has accumulated 334,000 worth of total rewards in terms of development rewards, subscription rewards, and the commitment rewards. So how much is he getting in terms of lifestyle rewards? So 334,000 multiplied by 3% will equate to 10,020 points. So once he has accumulated 10,000 points, definitely if you would like to exchange for a watch, you can do that. If not, you can actually accumulate it further up to 50,000 to exchange for a car. If you don't like the car, you can accumulate even more up to 200,000 points to redeem for a house. Okay, so these are all flexible, and this is the 5th stream of income that you as a broker can get from Lztrade. So as you can see, Lztrade will provide 5 streams of income to our brokers. So do take this chance to join us, and of course to succeed while you are still considered our pioneer batch. Next will be the withdrawals. I think everyone is very concerned about this. Okay, it's very interested to know. So in Lztrade, there is no restrictions to when you would like to withdraw your funds. It's daily withdrawable. Okay, and of course, the administration charge for this withdrawal is at a very low price of flat fee and a low price of 5 USDT. But everyone take note, there will be a minimum withdrawal amount. So if you would like to withdraw funds, okay, the minimum withdrawal amount is 20 USDT. So you cannot withdraw 10 USDT. Of course, you want to withdraw 1,000, 2,000, whichever amounts, there's no issues. and still only be charged a flat fee of 5 USDT, but minimum withdrawal is 20 USDT. All right, and the withdrawals will be within 72 hours. 72 hours to be back into your account, which is at a tremendously fast speed. And 72 hours is considered work hours. So in fact, if it's crossover to Saturdays and Sundays, those are not considered work hours. So let me give you an example. If you have decided to withdraw your funds for personal use, okay, on the Monday, all right, at 10 a.m. So when will your funds reach your account, to your wallet? Okay, it will take maximum 72 hours. Within 72 hours, it will be into your account. So in fact, the latest it will be into your account on Thursday, 10 a.m. If you have decided to withdraw it on a Friday at 8 p.m. So Friday 8 p.m., following day will be Saturday and Sunday. Those 2 days are not considered work days. And therefore, your funds will reach your designated work account, designated wallet, latest on Wednesday, 8 p.m. And lastly, if your withdrawal is on a Wednesday, 9 p.m., for example, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, then there's an overlap into a Saturday and a Sunday, right? On work days. So your funds will reach your account latest on Monday, 9 p.m. All right. So this is the withdrawal that everyone is most interested to know. So there's no restrictions. And of course, it's at very fast speed for everyone if you would like to use your funds. So that's the flexibility that Lztrade is bringing forward to you as a broker and as a customer. All right. So now our introduction has come to an end. I would like to take your questions.